have for Christmas dinner? A turkey! Thank you, you're too kind. And by too kind, I mean literally you're too kind. Because you're a fake audience. Now that's just bad. Now the freaking dogs are barking. I'm so gonna get done for this. But that's just creepy.